In this video, we are going to talk about trigonometry. So in trigonometry, we explore a right triangle by finding out their angles and the distance between them. So in a right triangle, there is a 90-degree angle, and the longest line of a right triangle is called hypotenuse, which is denoted by H. And from the angle theta, the opposite line is the opposite, which is denoted by O. And the adjacent line from the angle theta is adjacent, denoted by A. So there are three basic functions of trigonometry, which is sine, cosine, tangent. And there's a formula for each of those. So sine theta is equal to opposite O over hypotenuse, which is H. And cosine theta is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent theta is going to be opposite over adjacent. So there is a mnemonic to remember these formula is SOHCAHTOA. So that's how you can remember that sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. So here we are going to utilize this formula to solve for a right triangle. So here we are given a triangle PQR, and we are also given an angle and a length from Q and R, which is 6.2 centimeter. So now it asks us to find the length between P and Q, P and R, and also find out the angle P. So here we know our angle R is 32 degrees. We know our angle Q is 90 degrees. In a right triangle, there has to be a 90-degree angle. And we need to find our angle P. Alright, now here we have QR. We're given QR, which is 6.2 centimeters. We'll have to find PQ and PR. Now, how can we find if we're given two angles of a triangle, we can find the third angle by setting them to 180 degrees, because all the angles in a triangle makes up 180 degrees. So here R plus Q plus P is equal to 180 degrees. So we know R, which is 32 degrees, plus Q, which is 90 degrees, plus P, we need to find out P is equal to 180. Now we're going to solve for P, and we get 58 degrees. So we know our P is 58 degrees. Now we have to find our length PQ. How can we do that? Is we know our adjacent, and we know our angle. So here we can use tangent. So we're going to use tangent 32 degrees is equal to opposite, which is PQ, which we need to find out, over adjacent, which is 6.2 centimeter. Now we're going to multiply both sides by 6.2 centimeter, and we get PQ is equal to 3.9 centimeters. So we know it's 3.9 centimeters. Now PR PR. So we know it's this. No, RP. Now PR is equal to hypotenuse, and we're given adjacent. So we can use cosine. So cosine 32 degrees is equal to adjacent, which is 6.2 over hypotenuse, which is PR. Now, to find PR, we multiply both sides by PR and then divide by cosine 32. So what we get is 6.2 divided by cosine 32 degrees is equal to 7.3 centimeters. So here we have 7.3 centimeters. Now we have solved for our right triangle using the trigonometry functions. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.